Hey Shan, this is Jose Ortega from SEO Monster Design, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to increase your online revenue through your website. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. So first of all, I just want to say, good job on your website. It looks nice and clean. Um, but I'm going to give you your first tip to start ranking on Google and get found. So the first tip is content. To Google, content is king. And by content, I mean your pictures and your words that you're using on your website. So you want the more content, the better. And you want about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, depending on your competition. And two reasons for that. So number one, again, content is king for Google. So the more content you have, the more you look like the expert on the subject, on the service that you're offering. Another thing, you can add more keywords on your front page, more words that people are searching up on the Google search bar. Okay. Now another thing, whenever I go to save as on your picture, see how it says Sparrow Bookkeeping? You should put more general terms such as bookkeeping in Amarillo, bookkeepers in Amarillo, because that's what Google reads. So whenever somebody types that into Google, Google will be able to connect it to you because you have that word on your website. So I did pull up one of your top competitors there in Amarillo, which is NAP Business Solutions, and I added both of you to this tool that I have that allows me to look at the back end of your website. So this is your front page power and your overall website power, which is nothing. I guess you kind of just started this website, but still this is going to help you out big time. So you need power to look good in Google's eyes. And the way you get power is through backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours when they click on it. So they have 282 backlinks coming from 52 different websites. This is their front page power and their overall website power. Okay. Now, if we look at their keywords, we'll see what they're being found for. And one thing that this tool does is that it tells me approximately how many searches there is a month for bookkeeping or bookkeepers. And there's not a lot of searches, unfortunately, in Amarillo for bookkeepers. So that's where ads come in and may be a benefit. But just to give you a little example of how this works with the power, so you connect backlinks to your website with these words, and you start moving up in positions. As you can see the position here. So let's say somebody types in Ramsey Solution Tax Services on Google. There's 150 searches a month for that word only. And they're in the position 19 for that. So that's the second page of Google. They'll never be found for that word. Somebody types in Amarillo taxes, 50 searches a month. They're in the 21st position. They're in the third page for that. CPA Amarillo TX, 40 searches a month, and they're in the 35th position for that word. So if there were bookkeeping words, it would tell me how many searches a month there is and how hard it is to get there and what position you're in. And of course, your website being new, you're not going to have any of that yet. But this is Lisa Bookkeeping. And she's in first position for Lisa Bookkeeping. Lisa's Bookkeeping, 14th position. And this word that doesn't really matter. So, with that being said, your first tip is getting more content on your website, more keywords on there, maybe adding a bigger phone call deal right here so that people can really see it, make it stand out a little bit, and like a contact form right here so that people can see it right away and they don't have to be looking through the website, and it increases conversions. Okay. First tip is content. Second tip is backlinks to power up those words on your website and get found for them. And the third and last tip is citations. So what a citation is anytime you list your business on an online directory such as Yelp.com, Facebook.com, Yellow Pages, that's a citation. And you want to get as many as your competitors have and then get some more on top of that. That way you're beating them in every way. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to share with you before we hopped on the call. Sorry I couldn't get to it yesterday. But feel free to reach out to me whenever you see this video and let me know your thoughts. See if it was helpful. Thank you.